Very cool. All right, I think we're ready.
All right. Should I be talking to?
Sorry?
Do I need to be talking to?
Absolutely.
Oh no. All right. All right, so this is our ADMS, which takes your content from a variety of sources. One of the key features is world search. Let's say the kids want to watch the movie Iron Man. We just go in here into our world search feature and type in Iron Man.
Are you doing that on 3X?
Yep.
Wow.
And our connection is slow because it's the end of the show.
And everybody's watching football.
That's right. So we have Iron Man. We found it in our library. If we did not find it in our library, we could actually go ahead and just buy it and download it. Perhaps we're looking for the cartoon version as well. It's another option. Or maybe we're just looking for something a little different to watch, and here we found the Iron Man Trick My Truck episode. But it doesn't necessarily stop there, because we also have all kinds of internet content. Take a look at the making of, the trailers, or maybe a little Black Sabbath. But maybe we should listen to a little music instead. So we'll go in here and take a look in our library, see if we have some Beatles. And of course we do. So we'll just go ahead, come in here, start that playing. And as we scroll through here, we find that there's even more content. There's movies that we can download, some for purchase, some for rent. Or we can even go ahead and take a look at some of the old Ed Sullivan clips and other clips.
So that's actually streaming off of YouTube right now.
That's right. Now, some of the content that we find will actually be live content. So, in that case, it can't be found on YouTube or Hulu or in any other catalog. We have to go to a web browser. So we have a customized web browser here, where we can easily scroll in and out so that we can see it well on our HDTV. And we even have a favorites dialog that comes up and turns some web surfing into channel browsing. And here we can go to whatever kind of content that might fit us. Maybe it's PGA golf online. Maybe it's just reading your email.
And the Cowboys are still losing. Awesome.
That is a good thing.
He didn't really say that, don't worry.
Giants don't play till 4 o'clock, that's all I know. And I won't get to see any of it. So, if we want to fill up our server with content, we can come in here to the video store and just kind of go through and pick the movies that we want. You know, maybe we want to start adding movies. It's as simple as going through, hitting buy, and come back and all the movies will have been downloaded. In this case, we've already downloaded a rental, so we have a nice little green bar here to show that, in fact, it already does exist in your library, so don't go buying it again. Once everything is in our library, we can go up here to our video library section, and this is the movies that are either on any hard disks, NAS devices, or in the Blu-ray changer. Let's go ahead and we wanted to watch Iron Man before, so let's go over there and take a look. not all the movies come out of Hollywood. So let's jump up here to our letter scroll. And we find some vacation video that was taken off of a camcorder.
So we got a little home video action, home movies.
Absolutely. Don't really remember home movies looking like that anymore though. So this is 1080p raw direct from the camcorder and just loaded directly onto the ADMS, either through the USB slot or through the Crestron sync application. You can use it with any PC or Macintosh and it will automatically copy or index the content onto the ADMS.
See ya. Thanks. Nice job.
Thank you.
Nice shot, Alex.
Now if we go ahead and we can actually go into our music server here as well. And we find pretty much the same kind of interface. We can go in and making a play cue is as simple as queuing a few things up.
So we're building a playlist.
That's right. And if there's a song that can't really remember how it sounds, maybe we go ahead, select it, and press preview. So this will start that song playing, and when we press stop preview, we automatically go back in the queue to exactly where we were before. And then we can decide whether or not, well, yeah, that was a great song, you know what, let's play that next. Now, each time we've been going in and out of these albums, so we don't really need to do that. We can actually move over to the left, highlight the album cover, and just start scrolling through albums. And while we're on power user functions, maybe showing 5 albums at a time isn't quite enough. Let's show a bunch of rows here. And last but not least, of course, this is a Crestron system, so of course you can control your whole home right from on the screen.
Very cool. Very good.
That's it.
Thank you very much.